Okay, Bella. Say thank you, JD.
Thank you, JD.
For your book.
Thank you for being a book.
Okay, let's read it, okay? It says Animals
Thank you.
by Jade. What is that one right there?
I like it. Whoa!
Yeah, and what is this one here?
A big going.
And what's this one here?
A duck. I'm going.
No, what do ducks do?
Duck.
And what's this one?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is that?
A cat.
Mm-hmm. And what's this one? What is that one? This one here. A fish. And what's this one here? This one right there.
A dog.
Yeah, dog. Oh, what's this one? What's that one right there?
A buggy.
That one right there, look.
What's the other one? Daddy's showing you that one.
A cow and a buggy.
A cow and a froggy. Yeah, so what is that one there?
A man and a turtle.
A turtle, alright. And what else?
Daddy's showing you.
What's that one?
A man.
A man? A sheep.
Sheep.
Man.
What's that?
And then here's some bugs.
That's your
What is that one?
Bug.
What kind of bug is that one?
A red one.
What kind?
I love a red one.
A ladybug.
And the red one.
Ooh,
Ladybug.
what's that one?
Spider.
Ooh, yeah, spider.
I like a spider.
You like the spiders?
And
And
I
what's
like-
that one?
A jellyfish. I like
A jellyfish?
Is it a jellyfish? It's a bee. Alrighty.
Good job.
Good job.
So thank you, JD.
Say thank you. Say I look forward to your next book.
Nice book. Nice book of coming.
Yeah, are you happy?
Can you throw her a kiss and say thank you?
Thank you.
Too long.